This is Loveland in Loveland's Orchids. Well, today I'm gonna show you guys how I transplant my Oncidium. The Oncidium from Hawaii, the Sharry baby Oncidium that's chocolate fragrant. So it came with a small pot, like 4 inches. So I transplanted it into a bigger pot. So hopefully she'll like it. Enjoy this video. Alright guys, so we will repot my Oncidium Sharry baby chocolate fragrance, the one that I received from Hawaii. So I wash her really good, because she was thirsty from her trip. The bulbs is very plump, so that's really nice. Make sure it loose here so we can take her out. And my plan is put her in this liner, and then my decorative pot, and then here's my bark mix or media that I'm gonna use for Oncidium. So she got lots of roots that coming out already, but I'm just gonna make it loose a little bit here. It's kind of hard because I think she grow up in this. There's a name. Finally, we're gonna keep that, guys, because from now on I'm gonna save all the tag or label of my orchids that I get online, so I have names. So I'm just gonna loosen it, make sure it's loose. All right guys, so we just keep loosening it, and finally it pops. So it pops. So look at all the roots everywhere. It's like there's no media. It's like full of roots. Maybe there's a media somewhere, but this one is full of roots. So I'm just gonna, loosen it a little bit. The roots are very healthy. Alright guys, finally I able to find that bottom there, and yes, she got moss underneath that I need to take out. The roots is very healthy. That's so nice because she just I just got her. She is new from the nursery. So I'm just gonna take out all that mousse, because I don't like really mousse in my bark. I don't know why, but because it collect bugs. But you know what, this is very, very nice and healthy. I'm not worried about this. I just want to take it out. I'm not dividing them or anything. I'm just opening the roots, make sure that so she can grow if she want. Loosen it a little bit, but I don't want to disturb too much because she got a spike and I don't want to break her. So just loosen her roots. That's the way I want to do. And I'm not cut any roots either because the roots are healthy. Okay guys, so I'm gonna do that here. And then, so that's the moss that's in this Oncidium. So I'm gonna put that away. And I'm gonna put the bark here. Make sure that all these, I'm gonna crack some eggs. So from now on, when I change, my orchids, this is my fertilizer. It's dry already. This is a leftover from, I think, this week, our breakfast. So what I'm doing, I'm just crump it and put it with my media. Just fill it this one halfway, like that. I'm gonna put more eggs. I'll just mix it with my media. And then I'll put my Oncidium. So just gonna twist it a little bit so the roots will get tight. So you're gonna go there, all of them. And then I just fill it with bark. Alright guys, so I'm just filling the side of my Oncidium. Hopefully she will like this new home of hers. I wanna put her in the bigger pot, but right now this is the biggest I have. I don't have any bigger ones, so she's okay for now. Just make sure that she got all the bark, and I'm gonna put my egg there. Just squeeze it. There you go. I'm gonna water it, and then that's my Oncidium. Alright guys, there she is, my Oncidium Baby Sharry chocolate fragrance that we transplant, repotted in a bigger pot. And look at that, because I like my dragonfly clip. And oh my, very tall. She is out there. She's like almost 4'11", taller than, well, almost taller than me. But she is with my other orchids that are blooming. Look at all my other orchids. She's with them, that they are all blooming in this side of the window. So hopefully she will like it. The other orchids, Pulse and Vanda, like this side. So hopefully she will enjoy it. Well, she loves sun, so it should be there enough lights, but there's no direct sunlight. So hopefully this Oncidium Sharry Baby Chocolate Fragrance will enjoy in her new home, in her new spot. There she is. Alright guys, so that's the way I transplant my Oncidium Sharry Baby. So we will see the progress in few weeks if she like her new pot. Alright, well, if you like this video, please click like and thumbs up, and click this in the corner that says subscribe, and click all so you don't miss any of my video. And thank you for watching. Thank you for your time. God bless, and see you in my next video. Bye.